Today, we're going to walk through the analytics overview in Outgrow and learn how to understand key performance metrics to measure the success of your interactive content. Start by logging in to your Outgrow dashboard and opening the Analyze tab for one of your published content pieces. By default, you'll land on the Overview page where you can see a summary of your content's performance. At the top of the page, you'll find the key metrics that help you understand how users are interacting with your content. Let's look at each metric. First, we have visitors. Visitors represent the total number of people who have visited the content piece. Then, unique visits. It represents the total number of unique visitors for the content piece based on distinct IPs. Next is starts. Starts indicate the number of users who actually began interacting with your quiz, calculator, survey, or form after viewing it. Now, let's look at conversions. It shows the number of leads acquired through the entire interactive experience. Next, we have the conversion rate. It shows the percentage of leads acquired over visitors. Now, let's look at engagement. It is the sum of call to action clicks and social shares performed by visitors. As you scroll down the overview page, you'll also find additional traffic insights. Here, you can track top geographies to see where your audience is located. You can also view the devices report to understand whether users are accessing your content from desktop, mobile, or tablet. The traffic sources section shows where your visitors are coming from, helping you identify your best performing channels. You'll also find browser analytics, allowing you to see which web browsers your audience is using. Finally, the engagement section provides additional insights into how users are interacting with your content. Next, scroll down to the user funnels section. Here you can view the overall funnel and the question funnel. The overall funnel provides a step-by-step view of how users progress through your content, helping you identify where users drop off before completion. The question funnel gives you a detailed breakdown of user responses for each question. You can see which answer options users selected most frequently and how many users chose each option. If you've applied date filters, the analytics will automatically update to reflect the selected time period. And that's how you can use the analytics overview in Outgrow to monitor views, starts, completions, CTR, audience insights, and user funnels to better understand your content's performance. Ready to optimize your interactive content? Start using Outgrow Analytics today to make smarter, data-driven decisions and improve your results.